So we're finishing up welding the legs to our little sculpture stand. We're going to go ahead and roll the stretcher elements as one long piece, cut them out so that we can then finish up the sculpture stand by welding the stretcher elements to the legs. Okay, so we're here at the roll, and we're going to go ahead and roll this piece of 1/4 by 1/2 the easy way. We could roll it this way or this way. We're going to roll it the easy way with this roll setup. We're going to nominally match the curvature of the existing sculpture stand, and then we'll cut out the part. And I'll set the material in here. It's going to line it up like this, and I'm going to come down. As this is moved downward, we're going to increase the radius of the bend. I'm going to guess at that. I'm going to roll it. Just got a sense of, is that close enough? We could go a little bit more. If a piece of material is like this, it's flat bar, it's pretty easy to roll, you can straighten out one end and then send it back through the roll to straighten it out and continue on with your life. We're going to call it like this. Let's see if that works. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna put a little. That's not coming out.
It's flat.
That's okay.
That's right.